poppin' GE gang? It's your boy Fuush, nigga. Back with another video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, but before we get to that, we're gonna mail out some of this merch. Then we're gonna go wash the whip. And we're gonna get to the video after that. So enjoy this montage of me washing the car. The video shouldn't be that long. We're gonna see how that works out for me when I'm done editing. But let's get to it. Yeah. I'm here. I need a new cameraman because you don't know what you're doing, bro. Listen, we're finally here. I wasted a whole bunch of fucking time getting a DOT physical for my job. Now it's getting kind of, I'm irritated right now, but we're gonna get this job wash done because that's what I said earlier. Putting on the gloves. You see I got the J's on the feet. Hey, up here. We're changing the boots in a minute, so give me a second. Yo, when you come to the car wash like this, hey, I didn't tell you guys. For the people that's been watching all the videos like you're supposed to, we moved into a luxury townhome, so now we can't wash our cars there. But this car wash ain't about to get $15 for me to wash my car. So, I brought my own bucket, my own soap. The only thing they'll get for me is a rinse. I'm gonna spend like $5 to get my car washed. Watch this. Oh, man.
What's up, guys?
Let's do this how I get out the car.
D money with a Y. Yeah, you know.
You already trying to get more money for it. They making me put another. Oh, man, you got.
Go follow Ninja Extentics on Instagram. Thank you very much. You already know. Got over 1,000 followers. So just show me more support. Hi. How you doing? Look, say smile for the camera.
Hey, see that right there? My own bucket. Yeah, sir, with the good stuff. I'm gonna get the good stuff. And I was just shot you this video. You might turn me the camera. You keep doing stuff like that. Showing the closest. She gives y'all the good footage. And you get it while it's dirty. That's fine. That's fine. Look at that. It says no bucket washing. We broke all the rules. You ain't getting all our money. So good thing they ain't here. Get this thing off, you know what I mean? So it's all said and done. I'm gonna show you guys. Pearly black night, you feel me? Finally made it back to the house, man. You guys don't understand. I think we left the house today at like 10 a.m. and it's 8:22 p.m. right now. We got back like an hour ago, ate dinner. That's kind of how my days go, man. My days off do not feel like days off because I'm always ripping and running. Shout out to everybody that ordered something from me, some merch, the police cameras, shit like that, you feel me? The support has been unreal, you feel me? Especially for a small YouTuber. So I definitely appreciate you guys for rocking with your boy and you know, trusting me and trusting the process that I'm gonna put out quality videos and I'm gonna bring you guys the best content I can as often as I can. I wish I could bring it more often, but we working on that. You know, I work a lot of hours, so I don't try to make excuses though. I'm too tired to make it. If I got something to do and I got some content or a little bit of extra money to boom, 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 go get something done, or I can get in that week, I'm gonna bring some content, period. So now let's get to the title of this video. How to make your car basically not sound like a V6. I mean, it depends on what kind of V8. It can sound like a V8, but not like literally like a V8 Dodge, like a SRT8 or any 5.7 Hemi, 6.4 or whatever Hellcat. It's not gonna sound like that, but it's definitely gonna sound better than just the average V6 you take off the lot. That's for fucking sure. So I had a couple of people that hit me on my first video. This is gonna be a part 2 for the people that were hitting me in the in the comment section, which prompted me to make this part 2 because they felt like in the first video it wasn't too in depth on what I did to make my exhaust sound like that. So as you can hear in the beginning of this video on the cold start, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I did, and you know what I mean. Hopefully it helps out. If the first video didn't, because I really didn't tell you what I took off, what I put on, and shit like that. So, so your car, I think it depends on what model, but I'm just gonna speak on the Chrysler 300S. Okay, so you got two exhausts and 2 resonators, right? So that's 4. So what I did is I took off all 4, right? Both resonators, both exhausts. What I end up putting back on from the cats, I put, let me make sure, hold on, I'm gonna make sure I tell you this right. I know I put 2 Cherry Bond Extremes, but I'm gonna give you guys hopefully give you guys the part number. Of course. Hold on, bear with me, man, because I took a screenshot of it, then I erased it, which was stupid. All right, cool. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see this. You can see it, but you can't see the part. I don't know if you can see the part number, but it's the Cherry Bomb Extreme, part number 7425CB. So that's what I got put on my car. So I took off both exhausts and both resonators. So what I did was from the cats, I put 2 Cherry Bomb Extreme exhausts back on. I put 2 of those back on from the cats, and then all the way to the back is straight pipe, 3.5 inch pipe straight back. So that's why my car sounds the way it is. Took off all 4, 2 resonators, 2 exhausts, put back on two Cherry Bomb Extremes, part number 7425CB from the Cats, and then from back there on is 3.5-inch pipe straight back. You know what I mean? So I hope that gives you a little bit more of in depth of what, you know what I'm saying, you guys are saying in the comment section of I didn't tell you, or you didn't have a part number. Do I have a part number? I didn't put a part number in. You didn't tell me what you did, you know what I'm saying, what you took off, what you put back on. Because some people only put back one exhaust on. Some people leave their resonators on and just change out the exhaust. So it's a whole lot of different ways to do it. But if you like the way mine sounds in this clip, then that's exactly what I did. And obviously you can ask me more questions, because when I get comments, it comes straight to my phone, because I have a lot of YouTube stuff linked up to my phone. So the comments come directly to me. I'll be on it just because I like the feedback. I like the comments, and you know what I mean? More, I wouldn't say more than subscribers, but I like the comments just as much. So I hope that helps out everybody that had questions, because that video is doing pretty damn good. I didn't think it was gonna do what it's doing, you know what I mean? It's like 8,000 something views already. You know what I mean? I did not know. I think if I would have knew that video was gonna do what it did, I definitely would have went more in depth. But since it was my first video on the channel, I just did like kind of like a car review type. This is my car. These are the things I've done, without going too in depth with what I had done as far as like exhaust and stuff like that. I think I went pretty depth on the police camera, because if you ask me, those are the most important things in my car. You know what I mean? Those, I feel like when I'm driving my car, I'm completely safe, because I got 360 view, basically, of my car on me inside, 2 cameras. So it sees one inside, sees you got a camera point outside. I just feel like I'm covered. You know what I mean? If anything goes crazy, I feel like, you know, we got some evidence. So I feel like those are the two. Those 2 cameras are the most important things in my car, if you ask me, man. You know, but I hope this helps you out to like. Make sure you subscribe. We're definitely gonna keep coming content, man. I promise you. Follow me on Instagram, Car Reviews and Fuush. The people I follow on Instagram, bro, they inspire me so crazy. And god dang, I want to shout out the homie. Man. God damn, I'm bombing his name right now, but I want to shout out the homie, because what he does is he takes his the last 3 videos, I think, on his YouTube channel, and he just shouts out a bunch of people that he follows on Instagram. You feel me? And so when I see those people's cars, I'm like, bro, they inspire me. I think I did something. I did like this much compared to what people are doing to their cars. I got a long way to go, but I love my car. I love the body style, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. I'm definitely gonna mod it up all the way, most likely into the engine. That's what I plan on doing. I plan on, you know, once the mileage gets crazy, I plan on swapping out engine out. But in the meantime, it's gonna be more cosmetic, because my car, you know, I like it the way it is. I'm more of a cosmetic guy from the jump anyway. Aesthetically, you feel me, inside, outside, and then working my way outside. Working my way back from outside inside. So as far as the engine goes and shit like that. So that's the plan. And I just want to keep being inspired. I want to inspire. I want to motivate and inspire. That's what the gear is for, as you see. Shout out, like I said, to everybody that purchased the merch, and got mailed off today. Shout out to you guys. But I know I'm rambling, but this video should have been done a whole lot sooner if I didn't, you know what I mean, get caught up doing DOT physicals at the DOT physical place for 3.5 hours while my family was in the car. I just thought it was going to be a quick little, maybe an hour, but 3.5 hours. So that kind of wasted the whole day, and we're ended up home at like down there 8 o'clock. So I promised myself I was going to finish this video no matter what, so that's what I'm doing. But if you got any questions, put it in the comment section below. Please ask me anything that you might see on my car, or ask me anything you think I've done, or some things you think I should do that I'm probably already in my head gonna do. But I just want to interact with people. I want my YouTube channel to be more interactive, especially when it comes to car content. You know, you interact with people, you meet people, you know what I mean? You link up with people, you DMing people, man, asking them what they got. They ask you what you got. Hey, I like that type of shit. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure if you're not following me on Instagram, head over to Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Same as the YouTube channel, Car Reviews and Fuush. And while you're doing that, you may as well hit that follow button on, or follow on Snapchat, the Cake Man 78. But that's gonna be it for this video, man. I didn't want to make this too long. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna chop this up in the, you know what I mean, in the editing room. You feel me? and we're gonna go from there. So shout out to you guys, man. It's your boy Fuush. Until the next video, man, I'm gonna catch you guys. I'm out of here. Yes, sir. Gone. I'm back. I want to say shout out to my camera woman. She did a pretty good job today. Shout out to my son, because he was very, you know what I'm saying, he was very patient while they were sitting in that car for 3.5 hours. But I also forgot to tell you guys, I am going to put a screenshot up of the extreme cherry bomb exhaust that I got, so you guys can have a visual of what it looks like, okay? Besides what I showed you on my phone. All right, now we out of here. Yes, sir. Blah.